Hello, hi, good evening. In the last video, we have learned how to add a calculated parameter and how to combine parameter in Revit schedule. Now I'm going to show you how to add new parameter in a Revit schedule. When you are creating the schedule, if you want to add a new information to a category as a type parameter or instance parameter, you can add a new parameter. You can go to field. In the field, you can see here new parameter. In case if you want to download the parameter from Autodesk Cloud Parameter Service, you can click here. So here I don't have access, so it is looking blank. I'm going to add new parameter manually. Let's click new parameter. Okay, so this is same like other parameter. You can create a parameter as project parameter or shared parameter. So there's a difference. In case if you want to understand better, I have a video, please watch that video. Go to the channel homepage and search parameter here, and you can find this video, shared parameter and project parameter in Revit. Watch this video. This will help you to understand what's the difference between project parameter, family parameter and shared parameter. Okay, so here I'm going to create a project parameter. You can just give a name, let's say company name or contractor. This is an information, right? So I'm going to keep it as common discipline and text parameter. And this can vary by group instances. Let this be a type parameter and group under other title and say OK. Now you can see here I have added a parameter called contractor. If you want to add information, you can go to wall, type parameter. Here you can find the contractor name under other. Let's say some private limited and say OK. Once you add the information in the wall, you can find it in the schedule. Okay, so in case if you have any doubt, watch this video again. If you still have doubt, then let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.